My miner's actually pooed all over the floor. Brilliant. If you go inside that, you actually begin to die, so just... Okay, repair, construction, mine, medical, deconstruction, no, clean up, protection, construction, no. Limited nanites. Got a transport courier. You don't really get that much from those though. We've got enough to deal with at the moment, so we're just gonna leave it. The beast inside me wants to let it rip, but what's it actually doing? Well, you can check. You can actually go and have a look at what it's doing. Active. It's cleaning up that stone, I believe. Yeah, wow. That's it's not wood. Well, we'll let the nanites do the thing. They're very useful, so... Let's load a boatload of steel plates onto the ship. Oh, we're gonna have to lock it, aren't we? This, I've got a script which Izzy's inventory manager script. It's very, very good, but it's a bit of a faff when it comes to doing stuff like this. Why can't I put stuff? Have I detached? No. Is there something wrong with the piping? Doesn't look like it. Why won't it go through there? That should go... Is it because it's locked? I didn't mean locked as in... Nothing's going in. I had this problem last time with the nanite factory. I need to lock that. There we go. There we go. It's because stuff was being moved around. So we're going to have to keep changing the name between locked and not locked. So I think I'll just copy that so that we can keep bouncing back and forth. Need to make a lot more of them, that's for sure. Let's queue up a load of them, queue up some of them, some of them, some of them. Gonna need a lot of them. Some ammo, armor piercing or high explosive. Ooh, high explosive for now. Depleted uranium rounds. Computers, they're always useful. I think I'm mainly going to be repairing sort of surface issues, so... issues like, you know, this isn't working, that isn't working, fix it. I mean like stuff like turrets. So that transport courier's got away, but we were never going to hit it in the first place. Right, so let's go weld up this ship. Apparently nothing needs welding. There we go. Maybe I should turn the projector on. This is a bit of a faff. I think I'll just get out and place them because the projector's actually wrong. It's not wrong. Well, it is wrong. Things are in the wrong place. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know why, but I've got a habit of absolutely destroying welders, so it's entertaining to watch. Just morph this back into normal shape. It's weird, like, if you've ever played Empyrean Galactic Survival, you can ram a ship into the ground at max speed and nothing happens. And I actually got into that game, like, I owned Space Engineers before that game, but I properly got into this game first. No, Empyrean first, but I owned Space Engineers first. I just played the shit out of Empyrean first. And to this day, I think I have like 100 and some hours on Empyrean, but 800 hours on Space Engineers, so obviously I prefer Space Engineers now. But I don't know, Empyrean has a really good, really nice feel to it. I don't know how to describe it, it's weird. But yeah, like I was saying, you can just ram a ship into the ground at max speed, nothing will happen. So when I came to this game and I did it in space, I'd always be ramming just straight into asteroids. I think everyone did, but me especially, because I just wasn't used to it. Like, I was not used to it at all. Oh, it's not showing, but oh dear, that's... Alright, that's fine, just needs to go down one. Now I'll just take some steel plates and just sort of touch it up. God, there's so much crap on my screen. I don't know if those cargo things actually disappear. Actually, I probably shouldn't build them, because I'm wasting parts. Also, I think I didn't place the... Oh. In the Colony Wars newest episode, I think it's 28, that's I saw that and it was a Bofor cannon, so I might exchange that because we need a bit more firepower. Really. Because when we were fighting that light, well, actually it was a pretty heavy fighter, but just a fighter nonetheless. We got wrecked. We didn't get wrecked, we beat it, but we got, like, the ship got wrecked. I was quite surprised, I don't know why. I thought we'd absolutely smoke that thing, but I guess Vulcans just aren't as good as I remember them being at dispatching annoying little ships. So let's get rid of all that. So we can actually weld up quite a bit. I had to put something in here as well, it's kind of bothering me. There's just nothing there. I need to repaint it as well. There's a lot of stuff we gotta do. Well, it looks like we only took surface damage, really. Wait. Nothing major got hit, other than turrets. But turrets targeted. So that's understandable. We lost no main systems, no thrusters. Well, we lost one reactor, but that's not a bad price to pay. At all for